Good morning. Today on Dom Air, we're going to be troubleshooting our cooling issues. We've been generally running oil temperatures up around 248, almost 250 degrees, which isn't preferred on the Continental O200s that we're running here. And I just want to kind of go through what the process is going to be today and where we're at with the whole project. Right now, we have added some cooling intake here with a knock-a-duct that goes to a 2.5-inch duct right here into a plenum on top of the oil cooler. Today we're going to be changing out this oil cooler. It is 23 years old, so it was made in 2000, and I have a feeling that it's somewhat plugged up, not getting good heat transfer, and we're going to go ahead and send it out and have it cleaned. But luckily we have another one sitting right over here. It's already been refurbished. As you can tell, it's already cleaned up. The big thing about these is not only do we want to make sure we get good heat transfer on the inside, you know, through the oil side of it, but we want to also manage the air side of this. And the one in there has been cleaned out, but you know, it does take quite a bit of airflow, and you know, I think that anything we do here can definitely help. If anything, you know, at least just doing the swap shouldn't take too long. It's just a couple of oil hoses and fasteners holding it on there. So we'll check back in and tell you how it works. Okay, we're all done with the oil cooler change. Here's the new Arrow. It's a 7-row oil cooler, refurbished. And we went ahead and reinstalled the cooling duct on there. We ran it and checked for leaks. Everything looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back together. All right, so we just changed the oil cooler and the oil filter and put 7 quarts of oil in it. We went ahead, we had to prime it by taking the spark plugs out of the top and using an air compressor and a breather tube, a couple cranks that way, and get some pressure going. I'm gonna go ahead and just crank it over here to make sure that we're building the oil pressure. Clear?